Chicago. I'm over here by Walmart, trying to get a couple of stuff and maybe some stuff for laundry and for bathing. And my wife wants a couple of yards of fabric to make a blouse, and I'm going to look for some house slippers. So let's go take a look, folks. Here we go. Yeah. Have you ever tried before?
Like balls, and big subs. Oh, so good. I've been looking for some bison steaks, but I can't find them anywhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bison are really good. They're really healthy.
Okay. I got a show on YouTube. I just get started and stuff. So I go about when I go to the store, I tape what I stuff like that. Yeah.
What's your channel?
Huh?
What's your channel?
Hello, people. Joe here.
Hello.
Yeah. Can I tape you?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Folks, this is the young man that helped me find the bison meat just now. I was looking and couldn't find it, so he went to the back and get it.
Yes,
so this is the first time I'm gonna try it, and he says it's pretty good.
Really good.
Really
I always
good.
make burgers or like make meatball sandwiches out of it. Really good. Or I'll throw in like a taco salad with some meat. Very lean, really good cut of meat.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try it.
So yeah, recommend it.
Thank you a lot for your time, man. What's your name?
Adam.
Adam? Nice meeting you, Adam. Alrighty. Okay, folks, we're going back here and see what we could find. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, people, let me tell you about the bison. If you guys could know this, it's not in my cart because I couldn't afford it. I couldn't afford it, folks. So I'm glad that the guy take out the time to talk to me about it. But what I did, I pick it up, put it in my cart, and when he turned his back, I circle around and come back and put it back because that's too high for the blood. I can't afford that. As you can see, I could do a lot of damage with $100 cash up. I bought the stuff to wash the clothes. I bought a pair of pants. I bought, let's see, the slippers, the house slippers, and I bought 2 yards of cloth for my wife to make a off the shoulder blouse. She cut it, but I'm the one who have to sew it. But we got a lot of fights sometimes doing this because, oh, you don't do it this way. I tell you, look, you cut the stuff, you give me, I sew it, okay? But you see, I mean, I do a lot of damage with $100 cash up. But the only thing money was running out, I couldn't buy that bison. It was too expensive for the blood. I gotta put it back. I put it back secretly when the guy don't watch. So when I come back home, folks, and this is my collection.